Hi guys, welcome back to another fun exciting unboxing, and today we have something different. It's the RMZ city. I know the box is a bit beaten up. I bought this locally. I believe I bought it from Kids Play Plaza. It's in a local store nearby, and this was the last model. So I never knew RMZ cities made smaller diecast cars, so I was very excited to see one, and it was even very cheap. It costed me only like 99 rupees, 100 rupees, whereas in Hot Wheels would cost me around, there you go, maximum retail price is 120. So at this point I thought, okay, let's see how this vehicle is, and it would be fun to have something different, same as having a hugely big Maestro vehicle. It's a Lamborghini. I tried doing unboxing, but it went terribly wrong, so you guys won't be seeing unboxing for this, but I believe future this one doesn't happen the same way. So without any further delay, let's see what this thing is. So I believe RMZ City has some kind of tie-up with Reliance Home and Video Games. So and I think this sticker is being added later. It's not something that is print. I think I might be able to peel it off. Yeah, see, they have added it, and to get it distributed. Maybe they are the distribution team. So let's leave those part and let's get into the unboxing. So these people also have the licensing for these products, and wherever there is a Subaru, you will see for Toyota and Nissan as well. So those JDM brands, they like to make a statement. So on the outside packaging, it is very simple. It's not as big as any Hot Wheels cards, and the box has seen a lot, gone through a lot. It's crushed and everything. I hope the vehicle is not carry any of those damages that we see on the exterior. So without any delay, let's unbox this thing. The card that it has been through a lot, and it did also say a scale model, but it didn't say how much of a scale. So I don't have any purpose for these, but let's look at the vehicle itself. So what I actually like on any of the vehicles is when they go the extra mile of adding the details to them. So as we have the number plate holder and the Toyota logo, and we have the headlight differentiation with the silver paint, because the vehicle is white, and I wish they added the logo there as well. Actually the Toyota 86 has GT86 markings on the side, and the door handles are impressive, compared to any of the Hot Wheels vehicles. The door handles are not that much visible, or the body lines. Let me grab the vehicle for the explanation. Let's, for example, now this is Dodge Cornetto Super B. So this, yeah, and you see the door handle. It's a small bit over there. Let me see if I can. And it's just a small piece, whereas on this you have the real world door design. And when you see the alloy wheels, they are not as great as Hot Wheels, whereas they have some custom designs there. And the body paint is also, when you zoom in, you get to see the details. And the rear lights, I wish they were red, but again they went with silver for the differentiation. And again not that many details on the back. You have the number plate holder and the diffuser, the silencer, and on this end, however, the vehicle has got some of the yellow, yellow from the package. So the vehicle was rubbing against it for a long time, and it has got some yellow. Maybe it's just go away. Maybe some wet wipes, baby wipes, something. I don't like it. And of course, yeah, again another defect that I just came across. There is some kind of overpaint on this vehicle. You see that bulge over there? That is paint staying there for a long time. I think a bit too much of paint in that corner compared to this area. There's no bulge on this particular rear panel, but you see that's an no for me. So this vehicle, I thought it would be great, but after unboxing I am kind of disappointed, but again I believe it would look great on my collections. Against just place it beside a Camaro and see the size proportions, and you don't see. So thank you for for the unboxing, watching till the end. So right after this I will be doing some close-up shots, like I'll just go to the roof and take some photos, different angles of the body. We could get the body line, try to get the best part of the vehicle and see how good it is. And, do stay for them, and once again a subscribe would be great, and it just encourages me to do more unboxing, do some research. And I recently got into this collectible things. I would like to do more, I would like to explore. So if you guys support would be great for this. And that would be it for the today's unboxing. And I am a bit disappointed with that yellow paint, and maybe in future I'll strip down the paint and I'll go with gold matte black if that makes me happy. So again, thank you guys, thank you for watching the video. Do stick around for the final part where I'll be adding some more shots about taken very close up with the vehicle.